Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a door handle on a 2000 Toyota Sienna. Begin by gathering tools, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, an 8mm socket, trim pry tool, and the replacement handle. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety before starting. Remove the interior door panel carefully, keeping screws and clips organized. Inspect the latch and rods for damage and clean pivot points. Reassemble in reverse order and test the handle operation fully. Start by lowering the window slightly and removing visible screws from the armrest and door pull. Use a trim pry tool to release plastic clips around the panel perimeter without cracking the trim. Carefully unplug any electrical connectors for power locks or windows and set the panel aside on a soft cloth. Keep screws and clips labeled so reinstallation is straightforward. Work patiently to avoid breaking fragile plastic tabs or connectors. With the panel off, peel back the moisture barrier to access the handle assembly and linkage rods. Remove retaining screws or bolts holding the handle and unclip the rods from their plastic retainers. Compare the old and new handles to ensure alignment and fit, then mount the new handle and reconnect the rods firmly. Test the latch and lock function before reassembling the panel. Replace the moisture barrier and reinstall the interior trim carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.